Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the ambient occlusion setting in YapYap. Let's begin by opening the options menu. Then make sure you are in a display tab. Here under SSAO is the ambient occlusion, as in AO. This means screen space ambient occlusion. Here you can set it between disabled, low and high. And here is a quick explainer on what is ambient occlusion. This setting allows soft global illumination with shadows in creases, corners and crevices where objects meet, enhancing realism and depth. So you can set it to whatever value you like, between disabled, low and high. With it set to low, the game should look like this, because the game menu is a simulated environment. I didn't notice that much of a change. Let's set it back to high. Maybe you do, but honestly, it's not for me to say. Set it to whatever value you prefer, and then hit close, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.